Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about colors. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
What is the word for blue in Sepedi?
Putswa.
Putswa.
Very good. Putswa. And what is the word for red?
Ubedu.
Ubedu.
That's right. Ubedu. And what is the word for yellow in Sepedi?
Serolane.
Serolane.
That's right. Serolane. Now, what is the word for green in Sepedi?
Dala.
Tala.
Very good. Tala. And pink in Sepedi?
Pinky.
Pinky.
That's the easy one. Pinky. And what is orange in Sepedi?
Namune.
Namune.
Very good. Namune. And now you know the colors in Sepedi. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Shalakabotse.